Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So today I woke up and I wanted to check what's new in stores to see if they have anything new, and I decided to take you along with me. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. So my first stop is going to be here at Marshall's. I made my way to the makeup section and look at this gorgeous brush holder. It's a skull with a whole bunch of rhinestones and it's silver. It's quite big. Here's the price, and a lot of brushes fit in there. And then right over here they have this from Hello Kitty and the Creme Shop. It's a plush portable mirror, which is very cute for the Hello Kitty lovers. And they have it for 20 bucks. From MAC, I found this duo, this lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. It brings two, and they have it in this shade for 20 bucks as well. And then over here in the soap and hand wash area, they have a whole bunch of hand wash Halloween dispensers. This is so cute. It brings 3 jack-o'-lanterns and it's black and orange. I think it's so pretty. And then they have the same one but in white and gold. So it just depends on what color you prefer. Then they have the Frankenstein one, which I think is very funny. I'm trying to see the price. Here it is for $4.99. These are so cute. They have a ghost one. This one's actually very big. They have this one. I can't see the price anywhere, but they have a whole bunch. This cute one here with a whole bunch of ghosts. So many pretty ones to choose from. And then this one is the pumpkin spice and all things nice scented, which I love anything that has to do with pumpkin spice. I love that scent, and they have it for $3.99, which is great. And they also have a Hello Kitty one with the jack-o'-lantern as well. So here in the makeup section, I found this lip sleeping mask, which I think it sounds great. And it's by Izme, or IZME. I think that's the brand. And they have this for $3.99. They have a whole bunch of lip masks to choose from. I found another one over here by this brand. I don't think I've heard of this one, but I thought the box is very cute. They have this one for $9.99. Oh, look what I spotted over here. Some diffusers. Some aromatherapy diffusers here of Halloween. This one is so cute because it's a ghost. Let me show you the price. They have this for $14.99. I think it's adorable. And they also have this one right here, which was a happy ghost. These are great. I think they're fun. More Hello Kitty decor over here. This jar, it's quite big. It's like a medium size. So I found some new Halloween decor. Let me go ahead and show you what I see that's new. This big ghost up here for 20 bucks. More gnomes. Although I haven't seen that many gnomes this year as last year, but you can still find them. And they have this pastel jack-o'-lantern here, which are one of the new colors from this year, the pastel colors. This one's here is very cute because it lights up. This one's so cute. I have it for $12.99. This one is new too. I've never seen this one before. So cute. A ghost reading a book for $9.99. I think it's very pretty. Let's see what else. This doll here, like a witch doll. And then they have Frankenstein back here, which also lights up. His eyes light up. So this one's actually pretty heavy, and it's pretty good for 20 bucks. I like this one a lot. So down here, this is very cute, but I remember this from last year, and I also remember that stack of jack-o'-lanterns as well. So these are the new ones. This is definitely new as well, which I think is very, very detailed. I like this one a lot. It's for $14.99. And this one is like a hybrid of a mummy and a ghost, which lights up. Also very cute, and I love this picture frame here. It's very Victorian. And these little figures down here, these are all new. I found some Halloween scrunchies, which I thought was so amazing. Check these out, and hair clips as well. These are super cute. They have this big bow with the ghost in the middle. Super awesome. I like that one a lot. And then they have here a whole bunch of scrunchies, and all of them are Halloween related for $4.99. They have like a huge bat there as well. Then they have this one, which I think is my favorite one out of all of them, for $6.99. This is actually a little bit more. They have this one as well. These are so freaking cute to have all year round. And they also have these huge hair clips. It brings two. And they have this for $6.99. Super cute. So I made my way to the bags section, but it's very small. It's just this little area right here. That's it. I guess they took out a lot of the bags and purses because they were making room for sneakers and shoes for back to school. That's what I could see. This other area over here is filled with shoes, so they limited the purse section, but I wanted to show you what they did have, but it's not a lot. Here's the other side. They have this gray one for $19.99, this black one by Michael Kors for $129, and what else do I see that's new and different? I think I haven't seen this one, but I'm not sure. I can't remember. So I think I'm gonna head over to Burlington because I know they have more bags over there. I'll check this one out. It's pink and it's by Juicy Couture. Perfect for back to school as well for $34.99. So I made my way to Burlington to see what I find here. Let's see. Okay, there's way more options here in the bag section. So let me go ahead and show you what I see. I headed over to the dresses and swimwear section. That's perfect now for summer, so let me go ahead and show you what I see. So they definitely had more bags and purses at Burlington than Marshall's. Marshall's only had a very small selection of bags. So you have more options here at Burlington. And I also showed you a little bit of the swimwear and like beach dresses and stuff like that, which I rarely show that area, just to do something different and new. But they didn't really have anything related to Halloween except for the same mugs they had in my previous video, so I didn't show you that because it was just the same ones. And so that's it. I really didn't find anything that caught my attention that much. If you did, let me know what it was and if you're deciding to purchase it or if you already own it. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.